In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log emails in HubSpot CRM. If you've ever lost track of who said what and when, this will save you a ton of time. We're going to use the HubSpot Sales extension, which is the most efficient way to log emails directly from your inbox in Gmail or Outlook. First, get the extension installed. For Gmail in Google Chrome, add the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. If you're using the Outlook desktop app, add the HubSpot Sales add-in from the Get Add-ins or Store option inside Outlook. After installation, your inbox will display a HubSpot panel or toolbar whenever you're composing a message. You may be prompted to sign into your HubSpot account so the extension can connect. Once you do, you're ready to log. Next, log as you send. Open a new email in your inbox and look for the HubSpot toolbar. You'll see a log option. Before you click send, check the log box. That's it. When you send the email, HubSpot automatically records the message on the matching contacts timeline in your CRM. You'll be able to see the subject line, the send time, and the content, all tied to that contact, and if applicable, to associated companies or deals, so teammates can see the full context without searching. This keeps your CRM clean, consistent, and current without any manual copying and pasting. To save even more time, set logging as your default. In your inbox, click the sprocket icon on the HubSpot toolbar to open the extension settings. Find the option labeled Log All Emails and toggle it on. With this enabled, every email you send from that inbox will be logged to HubSpot automatically. You can still make exceptions on a case-by-case basis by unchecking the log box before sending a particular message, but otherwise you'll never forget to capture an important conversation again. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure the email address you're messaging matches the contact's email in your CRM so HubSpot can attach the conversation to the right record. If multiple HubSpot accounts exist in your organization, confirm you're connected to the correct one in the extension settings to keep data flowing where you expect it. And always follow your company's privacy and compliance guidelines when logging communications. That's the whole process. Install the HubSpot Sales extension, check the log box when you send, and turn on Log All Emails to automate it going forward. With those basics in place, your inbox and HubSpot will stay perfectly in sync.